Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today videos I want to show you how to make intro and thumbnail in Canva. So firstly, this you need this application is Canva. If you don't have it, so go to Play Store. You can go Play Store, like here, go to search, alright, Canva, search it. So this is Canva. Me, I have it. So because of that, so I come back, I enter my Canva. When you enter in Canva, so this is how you edit and change the name. Or so if you are new here in Canva, go to here, after sign up your Gmail. Here you will see the animated social media a 10.18 Instagram, so and Facebook. So we want to, you see the banner, YouTube banner, Instagram banner, logo and others. So go to here, write video, because of we want to intro for YouTube channel. So see, this is a video. So this is a video. So you can choose one of them like this. So this is example for your choice. You can choose one and edit it. So all you can choose any one you want to like and edit it. So this is pro, is not free. Only this thing is free. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is all is free. So let me choose this one. So if you choose this one, so you can edit, so you can tap on it, here, so and change anything you want. So you can change the name, delete it, so you can write your channel name and then select again, please subscribe. You can tap off, you can tap here, you can delete this if you don't need it. So write again and tap on plus. So this is plus. You can give them a color. You can choose any color you want, like this, and you can write something you want. So let me use this. You can delete, you can delete it all and change for more videos. You can put it in animation like this, like this. You can choose anything you want. See, see, like this. If you don't like this color, you can change it again. Here to change the color or this color, every color you want, you can change. So this is how you edit intro and save it. You can go here and save it and download it. Download. So this is how we edit thumbnail, intro, and channel banner in Canva. So in the next video I will show you how to create a thumbnail or channel banner or channel art in this application Canva. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So please subscribe and like and share for more videos. So this is how I install or I export it. So when I finish the work every time on this Canva. So after Canva I will show you the next app. So you use it to create intro and change the video background and change the photo background. So this is app I will use it so next video. So also this is how export it. So you can share it WhatsApp, Instagram, and the other site you need, you want. So this is so this we complete. It's okay.